Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove clone apps on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to remove clone apps can help you manage your device storage more efficiently, prevent clutter, and optimize performance. Additionally, removing clone apps can enhance security by reducing the potential for unauthorized access or data breach through duplicate applications. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open settings menu on your device. So next, scroll a little bit and tap on special function here. Well, after that, select Xclone. And here you have all ready to remove the clone apps like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove clone apps on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.